Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a microphone, this Hyperx, and the microphone model number is 4P5P6AA USB microphone, and this microphone is USB 2 broken. So now I will replace this USB port, and first of all you have to remove this volume key, and for remove this volume key you need a steel, and you have to put inside and remove this very slowly because under this have little bit glow. After that have some screw here, you have to remove this screw first. So remove the screw, you need a star screwdriver like this, and you have to remove the screw, or otherwise if you want to remove this you need a star screwdriver and to remove this all and return that out. So we have to remove all this screw also to remove the microphone out. So there is few screw, you have to remove this all. Okay, and also we remove this volume key for our safety, and this side also have to screw. We have to remove all the screw and remove this plastic out, and we have to take out this part. So this still you have to little bit move and then return back this connection. So here is our option to remove this screw and just fix this USB port. So we have to remove the screw. So guys, I have to open this all, and now I will remove this broken USB port. You see this port is already broken, so I have another port here, so I will replace. So first I will remove this USB connection. So for this you need a soldering iron. Or you can use the hot air machine. So hot air machine is easily you can remove that broken part. Just heat up little bit and it will be open. Okay, so see it's remove, but now I will clean the port. So I need a cleaner. Okay, almost done. So guys, now I will put the new charging port. Okay, so here is our new charging port. Okay, it's perfectly done. Now we will soldering here one by one. First I solder this side. So all done. And now I return back all the connection. Here I have to open. So guys, all cable I have to set up, and then now I return back this, and now I have to return back this all. Okay, return back all the screw here. So guys, I have to return back all the screw, and then now I have to return back this, the volume. And now I will return back this plastic. Okay, first I have to make tight the screw. Okay, so first I have to make tight all the screw, then I put the hang for the microphone stand. And now I have to connect this another side. Also have screw, I have to make tight all the screw. All is done. Now I return back this volume key. Okay, and now I have to connect this hanger. Okay, one by side. Okay, see, be carefully, you have to do this, little bit hard. But if you know, it's very easy. So now done everything. Okay, and now we will connect in the computer and check working mic or no. See guys, now I connect with computer and this microphone is working perfectly. Also in the computer work very good. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Have a nice day, see you next video. Thank you so much.